Will AI change the future of humanity? Will robots rule the world someday? Or will AI make our lives easier? AI stands for Artificial Intelligence, a technology that gives machines the ability to think and learn like humans. You already use AI every single day. YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, Google Maps. AI is working behind all of them. AI learns from data. The more data it gets, the smarter it becomes. Using machine learning, AI can recognize patterns. There are mainly three types of AI. Narrow AI, designed for one specific task. General AI can perform almost any task. Super AI could outsmart humans. In the future, AI doctors, smart cities, and self-driving cars could transform the world. AI may revolutionize education and healthcare. Some believe AI could become dangerous. But responsibly used, AI can be humanity's most powerful tool. AI may shape the future, but improving the world is still in human hands. Like, share, and subscribe.